Hi everyone again. Now 5:13. Shaira playing the bed and she don't want to go outside. She won't stay in the room. But I will go to Soi 6 and filming for you Soi 6 and also Soi Buchau. No, Shaira, no Buchau. Shaira asking, can we go to the bar and drink alcohol? I said, okay, we can go. No, not now, okay? Drink. Okay, guys, I will use camera. I will put here camera to magnetic mount and maybe so not pay attention. But I see people walking and filming is not problem. Bye. I not take key, okay? Because if I take key, you cannot charge phone and don't have electric fan. Okay. Bye. Alone for me better filming in this place because Shaira always worry about me. She don't want with camera, but it's okay. I can. If we said not allowed, if or someone don't like, of course I switch off camera and say so sorry.
Я тебе ничего не составляю, что я
I not take jeepney, tuk-tuk, I just walk because for me better walk. This is runway market and I will go to Soi 6. So guys, not problem filming here. No one stop me. Girls kind. It's no problem. But I don't want so noisy music. Also for YouTube it's not good if I filming always like this. But it's okay. It's safety here. People filming. Not same like in the Philippines. They're not scared. This is Soi 6. Pattaya Soi 6. And this time many girls, always many girls. More choice. I think people who want to something special type of girl. Any girls available. Fat, skinny, tall, short. More choice, really more choice. And they very kind. No problem. So little different from the Philippines, but it's okay. But I like Philippines. Thailand for travel is okay. But live for me, Philippines is better. But I think for party, Thailand number one. I don't know about another countries. I just because I am in Pattaya in Thailand. So taxi also, taxi service phone number. Who want taxi? No problem. This is beach road already. Cafe Amazon. I don't know about this is Soi 6-1. It's maybe someone say it's Lady Boy. I don't know, maybe Lady Boy, maybe not. Massage also have. Maybe it's massage place. No, I will walk and show to you in other places.